Hey everybody, I just thought I would share this quick tip with you. You know how Rachel Ray has a garbage bowl? Well, I like to cut right by the sink. Then I'll take one of these old plastic bags and then set the cutting board kind of on top of it so it won't move that much. Then when you cut your stuff, you can just kind of move it right into there. Especially helpful if you don't have a garbage disposal, which I don't. But I'll have one of these days. So that's the way I like to cut my stuff, is just about everything, you know, and it just goes right into that bag here, and I can just toss it into the trash.